Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are featuring the exclusive Dirty 30 edition, the limited edition of the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter by Fenty Beauty. And this is Rihanna's favorite highlighter out of her whole brand, and she made this and created this for her birthday, which was just recently, and we want to say happy birthday to Rihanna. We love her. And this is Trophy Wife. It is available, but the Dirty 30 is now unavailable, unfortunately. I was one of the lucky ones to receive this beautiful highlighter, and the only difference is that it has 3 X's imprinted in the highlighter, and the original has FB for Fenty Beauty. But this is a creamy, long-lasting, endless ways to glow kind of highlighter. It's yellow gold. It is a different kind of unique formula. It has the hexagon kind of packaging, her signature packaging, which is very different than any other brand. It is made in San Francisco and lasts about 9 months. It's 0.28 ounces and it retails for $34 on their website and at Sephora. So here are the swatches. Obviously it's super duper pigmented. I was blown away. In the sunlight, it is just amazing. It's like a bar of gold and just shimmers and shines, and it kind of has a glittery texture to it. But now we're going to go ahead and try it on the face. This is my first time. I'm going to use the Kumadori Japanesque fan brush to try this out on my cheeks. And I like to use a soft, light hand in applying my highlighters, and I like to build it up. And as you can see, if you use a light hand, it doesn't have to be as blinding. But still very, very gorgeous. And on my dry to normal Asian skin tone, it definitely stands out in a gorgeous way. So I'm going to use it in the inner corners of my eyes and the brow bones, and I want that to stand out more. But I am also going to use this highlighter in this video as an eyeshadow. But as an eyeshadow, I don't want to make it super heavy and glittery and stand out more than the brow bone and inner corners. So I'm just going to use a dry brush and just kind of lightly tap it on the rest of my eye area and lid that I don't have because I'm Asian, but that's okay because we can make it work. And now we have a whole kind of glittery, soft yet subtle, yet at the high points and inner corners is highlighted more, and I loved the outcome. So here's the outcome, and as you can see, it is beautiful. And I do want to mention that I did wear this at night and I had 1,000 compliments, and people were telling me that I was glowing and shining in my face. So it does work at night too. And that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out if you're interested in trying this highlighter out, if you have my skin tone or my skin texture. And I will see you guys all next time in my next video. Happy birthday, Rihanna. Thank you so much, Fenty Beauty. Bye, guys.